Hey everyone, welcome back to MS Extra Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password step by step. Please stay tuned till the end and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So friends, first open Facebook app on your mobile. Then tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. Now scroll down and select Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Now tap on the Settings menu again. Now tap on the Accounts Center section. After that, scroll down and select Password and Security section and tap on it. Now select and tap on the Change Password section. Now tap on your profile name section. Now type your current Facebook password on here. Then type your new password on here. After that, retype your new password on here. Finally, tap on the Change Password button. Now check your email inbox to get confirmation code and type your confirmation code on here. Finally, tap on the Continue button. That's it, and it's successfully done. So viewers, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.